Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use HP Omen Gaming Hub. So it will be a full guide what you can do in it and how to use it. So you may need to search in Windows search for the Omen Gaming Hub or open from the shortcut. So let's open it, Omen Gaming Hub, and right here you will see your gear connected. So as you can see, I have Victus laptop. So here on the performance, if I click on the performance, I can see some performance like graphic switcher, network booster, some other optimizers, and etc. So let's get started from the optimizer first and from the gear itself. So if I click on the Victus laptop, here I can turn performance control to the echo balanced or performance. Here you can edit advanced settings and make sure to auto switch to eco mode or etc. Here for the thermal control, you can do manual, auto or the max. For the lightning, you can adjust right here your keyboard lightning. For the graphics switcher, you can use both, select a GPU mode, so use both when you're not playing games and just searching the browser or doing other things and you're not plugged to the wall, use hybrid mode. And if you're gaming, use discrete mode. And here for the network booster, you can turn some apps, and that's how you boost your network for this laptop. And that's pretty much it for the Omen Gaming Hub. Here you can edit your settings, and there's nothing more to do. Here you can do a cam and voice enhancer and etc. Here you may need to update your drivers, and that's pretty much it. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.